Delta 956, when able to say the nature of your emergency, I understand you want to land runway 27 right.
Correct. Currently we're troubleshooting and assessing, as far as I can tell you, smoke and fumes in the cockpit.
Delta 956, roger. Do you need more time to work that out, or you want vectors right into that one?
And we'd like to get on the ground as soon as possible, please.
Delta 956, roger. Maintain 10,000, fly heading 050.
Okay, heading 050 and to 10,000 feet, Delta 956.
Delta 956, when able, say passengers on board if you have any incidents or hazmat information, and stand by on the other information.
Yep, we've got currently 185 souls on board.
Delta 956, when able, say the passengers on board again, fuel remaining in town, and any incidents or hazmat information.
We've got 185 souls on board. We've got 31,000 pounds of fuel on board. And we're currently on oxygen, no other hazmat.
Delta 956, roger, no incidents on board.
Yeah, 1 second.
Delta 956, say again the fuel remaining in town.
Fuel remaining is 30,800 pounds.
30,800 pounds. Thank you. Delta 956, maintain 210 knots and contact approach 127.9er.
Tower Delta 956 is on the final for 27 right.
Center 956, Atlanta Tower, wind 16088, traffic depart Friday arrival, runway 27 right, cleared 2 lane.
Third land 27 right, Delta 956. And those emergency equipment are going to follow us in?
Once you get on the ground, we will determine what you need.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.